Pigeon favorite 5-liter pressure cooker unboxing video. Hi guys, I'm Yenji from Yenjigraphy, and if you end up liking what you see here, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button. I just purchased this from Flipkart just for $6.49, and delivery was a bit delayed and I need to pick up because I don't have enough time for it, so I don't like the delivery delay, and let's go for it. And it's a huge box, but it's not that heavy, so let's open it and let me tell you some specifications. And this is a 5-liter cooker, comes with a 5-year of warranty. And I would like to tell you one thing: this is only for manufacturer defaults and it's not for any other damages, so keep that in mind. So you're not gonna get a warranty for damages. So yeah, let's open it, and that's it. That's a small box compared to that all package, so it's a little lightweight. And let's first of all, it's a nice packing. It's a good package, and let's open it. Oh, that's a really long one. So that's it, and let's open it. And the MRP on it is 1,075 rupees. So let's open it. That's a warranty card and a menu. So so let's manual and warranty card. So it's a aluminum. Okay, that is nice packing. And the last one is a weight, and that's also there. So packing is really good, and this is an aluminum cooker, and the model name is Favorite, and the lid type used here is outer lid, and the height of this cooker is 90 centimeter. So 90 centimeter, and the weight is 1.5 kg, so it's a really lightweight in hands. So let's open that. So there is no much scratches, so that's really good, and it's not damaged, and that's a nice thing. So let's put that. So that's a really easy one, and let's open that one. So it's a really lightweight, and there is no much scratches inside that, so that's a really good thing, and it's not damaged there is no scratches or anything on it. So first of all, that was a good thing. And let me show you how to close it. You need to make sure that there is a mark over there, so you need to make sure that on that side, and you need to press it a little harder and rotate that side. There is an arrow on it, so you can, or you can just go for the manual, then you can find how to close it. So let me show you again. So you need to, that side, you need to do that on there. There is a hole on it, so you need to make sure that on that side, or, and after that you need to press it. You need to press it a little harder, and the first time was a little more easier than this, but let me press a little more harder, and I think it's it. Yeah, that's it. So there is no much scratches or not damaged, and there is a nice, it's a really lightweight pressure cooker, and I just got this for $6.49, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and for more videos like this, just subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, click that Pigeon favorite